Welcome. In today's guide, you'll learn how to snooze a conversation on X, formerly known as Twitter, using the web version on your PC. If your messages keep lighting up your notifications and you want a quick break from a chat without muting or blocking anyone, this updated feature is exactly what you need. Let's get started. First, open x.com in your browser and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the homepage, look to the menu on the left side of the screen. There, you'll see several options like Home, Explore, Notifications, and Messages. Click on Messages to open your inbox. Inside your Messages section, you'll find a list of all your conversations. Hover your mouse over the chat you want to snooze. You'll notice 3 dots appear on the right side of that chat. This is the options menu for that conversation. Click on those 3 dots and a small drop-down menu will appear. From the list of options, select Snooze Conversation. The moment you click it, that chat will be snoozed right away. This means you won't receive any new message notifications from that conversation until you choose to unsnooze it later. It's perfect for times when you don't want to be disturbed by messages but don't want to leave the chat entirely. You can come back to it anytime in your message list and the snooze will stay active until you manually turn it off. If you want to check or undo it later, just hover over the same chat again, click the 3 dots and you'll see the option to unsnooze. Click it and notifications for that conversation will resume instantly. That's all there is to it. This simple update makes managing your conversations on X Web smoother and gives you full control over when you want to see notifications. Try it out next time you need a little quiet but still want to stay connected. Thanks for watching.